at the Nevada State Railroad Museum on the day after Thanksgiving. I came in here just to grab a couple of quick shots of the authentic Virginia and Truckee number 25. Normally the museum will run the number 8, which is not a VNT locomotive. It is pretty famous. It was in the movie Union Pacific. The number 8 was in a number of other movies. Now you'll notice in the shots today, the number 25 locomotive is running because the 8 is down for repairs, but the 25 tender is not working, so the 25 is pulling the 8's tender. The train is sitting there in the Y. After doing its runaround, the 25 will pull the train up to the station where people are sitting waiting for it. At the crossing, you'll see this old wig-wag. I don't know why it sounds so weak. You'll have to call somebody at the museum and ask. And now the train is going to make its move through the crossing at lightning speed and into the station to pick up some more kids and happy passengers. You'll notice at the end of the train, I spent a little time focusing on the caboose. The caboose is marked NCB 3, Nevada Copper Belt 3, and for much of its life that caboose was with the Nevada Copper Belt. Now, when the museum originally started, it was trying to just be a Virginia and Truckee Railroad Museum. Later on, the mission was expanded to cover Nevada railroads, so railroads like the Nevada Copper Belt are considered to be part of that, and the museum chose to paint it in this red color. So watch the rest of this crossing, and we'll get back to a little history. At the end of the video, I'll show you some photos from Nevada Historical Society showing the VNT number 24 caboose, that's this caboose, for the 3 years at the end of the VNT that it was painted up in VNT colors with a nice logo slogan on the side.
Carson City train. I'm riding on that Carson City train. The same old train that brought me here, gonna carry me home again. Darling, you can't love one. Darling, you can't love one. Oh, you can't love one and have any fun. Oh, darling, you can't love one. I'm riding on that Carson City train. I'm riding on that Carson City train. The same old train that brought me here, gonna carry me home again. Darling, you can't love two. Darling, you can't love two. Oh, you can't love two, and your little heart be true. Oh, darling, you can't love two. I'm riding on that Carson City train. I'm riding on that Carson City train. The same old train that brought me here, gonna carry me home again. I'm riding on that Carson City train, the same old train that brought me here, gonna carry me home again. The same old train that brought me here.